everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Thanks for following my Instagram stories yesterday and for all of your guesses about the plant IDs that are in this floating arrangement that Abby and Callie created yesterday. So today I want to unveil what everything is. The number one misidentified plant was this white one right here. And this is not a hydrangea, this is viburnum. Hydrangeas bloom in the summer. We're only in March still, so this is the season for viburnums to come into full bloom. Of course, there's a lot of different varieties of azaleas. Every azalea is flowering right now in central North Carolina. And additionally, several different cultivars of viola. The yellow that is scattered throughout is actually a Forsythia. This red is our amazing native blanket flower, Gaillardia estivalis. This purple clump right here is my favorite lilac of all time. This is Syringa Excel. This is a variety that actually smells like a real lilac but will tolerate the heat. And the one plant that nobody guessed correctly is this little peachy orange flower. This is Cameo quince. And for good measure, we always have to include a Camellia. This is a great heritage variety called Roma resorta, originally introduced from Italy. Most of all, I hope that you will pick up this practice. It's just a wonderfully relaxing way to enjoy your landscape in a whole different lens and appreciate the plants that you have growing. And I have a new blog post about exactly how to go about creating your own floating flower arrangements. So I wish you all well. I hope you are happy and healthy and staying at home. And thanks again for tuning in.